Hello students, today's our topic is leaving a message, English speaking course. First, how will you converse with the person who wants to leave a message through telephone? Caller 1, hello, this is Rohini. Second caller, hello, this is Richa. May I speak with Anand? I am afraid Anand is not at the moment. Second, great. Can you tell Anand that we are meeting tomorrow at 3 o'clock? Okay, 3 o'clock meeting with Richa. Does he know where is the meeting? Tell him we will be meeting in the corner office downtown. Yes, corner office downtown. Is there any thing else? I will leave my telephone number just in case he doesn't have it. Okay, I am ready. Yes, it is 9399087754. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you. Today my topic in spoken English is ending a conversation. एक पर्सन जो है वो बोलता है it was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. He wants to end his conversation. Why are you trying to rush me off the phone? Now, second conversation is I really have to go. I really have to go. And the second person is saying why I still wanted to talk to you. I have things to do. Like what? Don't be nosy. I am not. I just want to know. Well, it's really none of your business. That's harsh. I am sorry. But I have to go. Fine. That's all. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Hello students, today's my topic is the few sentences describing a person. Have you met a new girl? No, have you? She is one of the prettiest girl in at the school. What does she look like? Well, she is quite short. How tall would you say that she is? I would say she is only 5 feet. What about her facial features? She has light brown eyes, absolutely beautiful. I think I know. Who are you talking about? Have you seen her? I think that I have. Now, these all sentences describe the person, and here are sentences of present indefinite tense uh, with the help of what and how and have. uh, the similar sentences have been created.
Hello students, today's my topic is Simple Spoken English by PG Academy. Listen, practice and speak fluently. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Next is the greetings. How will you greet a person? How are you doing today? I am doing great. What about you? I am absolutely lovely. Thank you. Everything has been good with you. Then I have been better. How about yourself? I started school recently. Where are you going to school? I am going to DAV. How do you like it so far? I like it so far. My classes are pretty good right now. I wish you luck. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Friends, there are few sentences who are used to ask for things. जैसे कि हम लोग बोलते हैं प्लीज़ गिव मी ए पेन. इट इज़ रॉन्ग बट करेक्ट फॉर्म इज़ कुड यू गिव मी ए पेन प्लीज़. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे कुड यू हैंड मी दैट मैगज़ीन या certainly here it is. You can ask for things using could I with verbs such as borrow, have and has. एक और एग्जाम्पल है जैसे could you lend me a few dollars for lunch, please? I would be happy to do that. In this manner, the sentences can be framed. Could I use that book? Book, red one or the blue one? The red one. Thank you.
Hello students. Now today's our topic is telephoning English. Okay, how would you uh, consult a doctor for an appointment? Making a doctor appointment. Dr. Pandit's office, how may I help you? I would like to make an appointment to see the doctor. Certainly. Are you ill at the moment? Yes, I am feeling very well. I am not feeling very well. Do you have a fever or any other Symptoms? Yes, I have a slight fever and aches and pains. Okay, Dr. Pandit can see you tomorrow. Can you come in the morning? Yes, tomorrow morning is the fine. How about 10 o'clock? Yes, 10 o'clock is fine. May I have your name? Yes, it is Deven. Have you seen Dr. Pandit before? Yes, I had a physical examination last year. Yes, here you are. Okay, I have scheduled for 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Thank you.
Students, here are some sentences which are framed to ask people to repeat. Ask people to repeat. One is, would you mind repeating that? Would you mind repeating that? Let me repeat. Repeat. That to double check. Check. For example, the phone number is, the telephone number is 5034663978. Let me repeat. Repeat the number to double check. To double check, 5034663978. In this manner, we also ask here telling the address of any person to anyone. So how will you tell that address? That first go down third lane to East Street, take a left and continue on until you reach Santosh building. In the same manner, if you want to ask again, then would you mind repeating that? That's all. Thank you.
Hello, students. Today's topic is listening how to speak English. First is talk loudly, walk slowly, say it again. You are wrong. We are happy. Who are you? I am lost somewhere. Open the door. Always speak the truth. Who is there? Forgive me. It's very hot today. You will learn English definitely. Introduce yourself. Do you know me? Hold my hand. I am with you. Call me back. All these sentences are framed in a simple way in which the subject is understood, that is why that has been eradicated, and the sentences are quite simple, and by using them in daily life
one will be able to understand, or one can be very easily speak English.